Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Elgato Stream Deck software on macOS step by step clearly. To download Elgato Stream Deck software on macOS, begin by launching your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.elgato.com. Once on the Elgato homepage, look for the support option in the top menu. Hover over support to see a drop-down menu. Select Downloads from the drop-down options. You will be directed to the Downloads page, where various products are listed. Scroll down until you find the Stream Deck section. Click on the Stream Deck option to open its dedicated page. Here, you will see the latest version of the software compatible with macOS. Click the Download button next to the macOS version. The download will begin automatically, and you will see the progress in your browser. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded file, usually named streamdeckinstaller.dmg. Double-click on the file to open the installer. A new window will appear, showing the Stream Deck application. Drag the Stream Deck icon into your Applications folder. Once the transfer is complete, close the installer window. Open the Applications folder and locate the Stream Deck application. Double-click the Stream Deck application to launch it. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Your Elgato Stream Deck software is now ready for use on your macOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.